Hey guys, what's going on? This is GP here, and welcome back to another video vlog. I'm getting messing up. And here's Liam.
Guess what? Hello.
Okay. So we're about to head somewhere. I'm not gonna tell you where. These guys know where we're going. You guys are gonna find out soon enough. It's an hour drive from where we are, though. So don't know how long this will take us. All I know is that you're gonna be very.
Hello, we're going to the Puppies Center.
No one understood, right? Okay, good. All right. So I'm gonna be getting ready, and no, I can't show that. Hey, Mom, we're ready to go. I told them that it's a mystery location where we're headed to.
Yes, we're finally ready to go.
Yeah.
Yes. Finally. Our last vlog, the video that I was making earlier, cut out, unfortunately. And I cannot now. I think everything I've got my watch on is currently 1:42. And before we leave, I'd like to thank Mom. A shout out to her because her Cricut thing that can cut out little vinyl prints has Bendy on it. She got me a Bendy in my room. It's awesome. So yeah, I used a few other things, got some decoration.
Cricket's gone!
It's right there, Liam.
Want you to sit down and get something
It's right there.
Right now, we have the car running.
Alright. So I'll brush up and I'll see you guys in a few seconds. I think I marked. Okay. Alright. I think I'm ready to leave. Everyone else is waiting for me. So yeah. This is gonna be really good. I'm gonna fix my sign. There. It's a little handy, I guess. Oh, the puns, you guys say. Well, it's time to go. Alright, so we're finally on the road. Got things going good. Movie playing back there for you too. Hey guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys now where we're headed to, because it's probably gonna take a while. But I'm not gonna say much else. We're gonna be headed to an animal shelter.
Hey, you!
So,
you in the front.
Do you have anything to tell my viewers, Kate? Please stop that. Yeah, that's great. That's great.
Don't harass my sleep.
Such nice scenery.
Yeah. Past my window anyway.
We could just get it put right here, and that would be probably not the best spot to put it. Okay.
Yeah. Any spot that has Mom's face is not a good spot to put it.
Yeah. So we do have some like nice farmland. Really nice. The last time we were driving with Dad and Amanda to the Mosham show, everything was like, all the trees pretty much looked dead. So we'll be heading to an animal shelter. That's all you need to know right now. I'll tell you more once we get there. I'll be honest, our house isn't too bad because, I mean, come on, we live right near a Waffle House. And the Denny's over there. Truck stop, so I think we're pretty much set on places to go to.
What do you think? What do you mean our house isn't too bad? Our house is epic.
Yeah.
Fuck you and your head.
Not in front of the viewer. Guys, it's just in truck towing truck. That looks so weird.
I agree.
All right. I guess we can wait. Right, guys? We're gonna get filled up with gas. Okay. We're gonna get filled up with gas.
Alex?
Yeah? Where'd Liam go? Oh, there he is.
Alex, when Mom pulled the keys out, she
Liam.
accidentally turned him off, too. Hey, come here. Because when
No, I'm not.
Because when the keys are unlocked.
Well, isn't this just lovely now?
We just passed the airport.
Crazy. god, that does not look very
No,
good.
it doesn't.
Well, as if it weren't adventurous enough, look what we've got up ahead of us, guys. Wow. We were right under a plane, you guys. And there's another one. Holy crud. There it goes. That's insane. To be so close to planes like that. Do you know how close we are to the shelter?
It says we are 18 minutes away.
Alright.
Not very specific, but
Not too much longer, I don't think. We'll see you again. Oh my god, that is just crazy. You can see the city just barely through the clouds. That's insane. Well, anyway, we'll see you when we get there, most likely. Oh my gosh. That sky does not look promising at all. Well, there's a little ray of
that's the
sunlight there,
Birmingham.
apparently. We have been lucky as to not hit traffic thus far.
You should never speak that out loud.
Okay. Great. I mean, that sky doesn't seem welcoming enough. I don't want to make it worse. My gosh. Okay, right. You guys doing good still back there? Buddies?
They got a movie.
Oh, right. Alright. We should be there very soon now.
I have a feeling we're getting on right
Say it again,
now.
bud. Oh my god, the sky compared to the city is just insane. What the heck? That seems very scary. Oh my gosh, guys, you see that building up there next to the Golden Dome? GP building. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's insane. It does not look very nice out. Not at all. There it is again. That's insane. Wow, I cannot believe that. Alright, so we're here, and turns out we are right next to one of the slowest trains, it would seem. That is crazy. This place is packed as well. But this just...
Follow lead, and we're just gonna pull right here.
This train, I don't think it could go any slower. Wow. That's insane. So we are here.
We are here. Now from here, we're not quite sure what'll happen, but we're about to find out.
Yep, because
Boys,
all I know is that
you're
it's
gonna
about time I
stay
told you. If you guys
right
didn't know
with
already.
me, okay? Okay? No toys. Lots and lots
Wow.
of super calm, and we're gonna go see if there's a fur baby that needs a. We can get
Yep. So it's been a while since we've had one, ever since we lost the rabbit and stuff, but we're gonna see if there's an animal that we can find, precisely a dog, to call our own, take in with us, and I think I'm the only one. Okay. This train is making a click-clack. It's almost gone. Jeez. So we'll see how things go then. Yep. Let's see if we can find a YouTuber's best friend. Of course, you know, we're here to get a dog, but more of a cat person. As soon as we walk in, a bunch of little kitties. I've never seen so many cats in one room. This is insane, buddies.
There's lots of cats in that.
Oh, this is amazing. Now, I don't know how much I'll be able to record here, but we'll see. So many cats, you guys. Look at all these cats.
They give them names until they go in their family.
Got a baby kitty, Liam. Look at that. Look at the baby kitty.
It's easier for them to teach them and play with them.
There's so many kitties. Alright, we're gonna go meet the dogs now. Oh my goodness, it's one. Here's one. Oh. This one's named Tommy. Okay, look, this is Tommy.
Nice and gentle. His name's Tommy.
Hey, Tommy. Hey, Tommy. Aw. This might be hard because we got a few choices. He's only one. Okay, what do you guys think? What do you guys think about Tommy here? What do you guys think about him? He's only one option. You guys are gonna see. Even if we don't get the one that you guys like, we'll see which ones you like the most. Alright, so I think it's very clear we made a choice. I'm trying to bust out right now. I'd like to see one more dog before we go, so we'll take a look at another one. We're waiting outside the kennel of our next dog, the one that I wanted to see, personally. And he's very shy, apparently.
He's unsure. We're gonna let him get warm first, okay?
Okay. He's very unsure.
Very long, so he's not done this before, and he's a little nervous.
You guys can leave a poll down below if you like Tommy or this one. Although I'm pretty certain it's very apparent who we're gonna get. I'm very positive we know. Alright, so this is dog number 2. This is Sparky. Hey, Sparky! Hey, Sparky! Yeah, so he's a little shy. And Mom wants to see one more. So we'll see that one, and then we'll finish off the poll for you guys. Leave in the comments below. Tommy, Sparky, or Belly is the other dog we're bringing out. Guys, we just found a blue-tailed skink here. Look at this. That's cool. That's crazy. That's awesome. Alright, so apparently there's a third dog we want to see aside from Belly. So this is Manatee, apparently. I'm just saying, he has quite the thing for names of dogs. So yeah, Tommy, Manatee, Belly, and Sparky. Leave your vote in the comments below, even though I think I know who's going to win the poll. This little guy right behind me. I'm very certain he's going to do it. Uh-oh, she's out. She's out. Hey, Manatee.
I got.
Wow. Okay. So guys, I know that I'm not sponsored by these people or I have any sponsor at all, but if you guys are looking for a pet, cat, dog, or whatever you guys have, go check out a local shelter like these people, because these animals, they really need people to care for them.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Go check them out. I think I'll leave the website to this in the description below to this site.
County Animal Services.
Because they're waiving fees for the 4th of July, if I remember, for this month. So you can get them for without the fees, the adoption fees. Alright guys, we haven't seen Belly, but I think that we doubtlessly have a winner.
Hey, Tommy.
Hey, Tommy. Oh, and he got right back up. Yep, I think we found the one, Mom. I think this is the one.
He's so mellow.
He is. He's mellow.
I think this is the one.
He's a digger. I noticed that.
Hey, Tommy. There's Manatee again.
Hey, you.
Hey, Tommy.
Alright, so I think we found him. I think we found the YouTuber's best friend, Tommy. Anyways, I think that's gonna top it off. I think we found a family pet for us. And you guys should really check out places like these to help these little animals find homes, because they really need it. Again, I'll leave a link to this website in particular down below. And go check out your local shelters to help out these little animals. Yeah, on that note, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Stay gold, my friends. Bye.
Bye.